Hey everybody, it's Allison, the Holistic Homesteader. Today I am making steak salad for supper and I thought I would show you how I make it. So I am preparing to make my steak salad. I have a cookie sheet here with a piece of this pre-cut parchment paper. I buy this on Amazon. I am notorious for ripping my parchment paper whenever I go to try to cut it off the roll. So that saves me from wasting a bunch of parchment paper. Over here, I have 1 pound of beef stew meat. Turn a light on here. Hopefully my camera will focus a little better. So I just have 1 pound of, like I said, beef stew meat. This is just cubed up sirloin. I get that from my butcher. Over here I have just a big stainless steel skillet, and then I use this splatter guard also from Amazon, just to help keep some grease off of my hood. I'm gonna add a drizzle of avocado oil down into this pan when I'm ready to cook my steak. I'm just prepping things right now, but about a tablespoon of avocado oil down there. And then I have my oven preheating because on here I'm going to make some French fries. I don't always do French fries, but I'm really hungry today and I figured why not. Over here, this is where I make the salads. I have lettuce. I had this left over from camp, and I really love these heads of butter lettuce. And then I have some cucumber, tomato, and red onion. That's what's going to be down in our salad, and then we have some cheese to top. I usually love the organic sharp cheddar, but again, this is just left over from camping, so I'm going to use that up before it goes bad. But that's pretty much all I do to prep these steak salads. They come together super quick. The longest cooking thing is the French fries, so you can omit that, and this is literally ready in like 10 minutes. So, all right, I'm going to show you what everything looks like here as I go. So I got my fries on the pan. My oven is preheated. I am just making these Arby's seasoned curly fries. I know these aren't the best choice, but that's okay. I try to live by that 80-20 rule. So I'm just going to follow the instructions on the side of the bag for these, and I'm going to bake them for the allotted time. I believe it's like half an hour. I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes, and then I usually use the spatula and flip them around and then put them in for another 10. I have my steak just seasoned with some salt and pepper. I'm going to brown my sirloin. Because I know that I have half an hour on my fries, I know that my meat only takes probably about 8 minutes to cook from start to finish. And my salad will take maybe 5 minutes from start to finish to make. So I'm going to hold off on starting my meat on my salad. I could do the salads now and then they'd just be made, but I'm not going to start my meat until I have about 10 minutes remaining on the timer for the fries. And that way my steak will still come out really hot right along with the steaming hot French fries. So I still need to slice my onion, but I wanted to do a few things here before the kids show up from school. I wanted to show you how, first of all, I save any of my scraps, even from the onion, because this will get thrown into the chicken pen, and the chickens will love to snack on that. Also, London, she's this plate back here. London is not a fan of a salad like this, a traditional salad, and instead of making her own separate meal, which I refuse to do, I break her salad apart and I give her the things that I know that she enjoys. She likes lettuce, she likes cucumber, she does not like tomato, she does not like onion. That's okay. She doesn't like it mixed together, also okay, but you're gonna eat it. You're gonna eat the things that you do like. That's what I tell her. So she'll get lettuce, cucumber, meat, cheese, and French fries, and they'll just go around the plate, and it's like a deconstructed salad, but it works for her, and she will clear her plate on 9 times out of 10, and she's still eating everything that we do, but it's the way that I tailor it to her. I'm not cooking something separate for her. She's still eating the same as us, but everybody is happy. So I got all the salads or deconstructed salads made. It's Harper's. I make it a lot smaller. London's, Brian's, and mine. I've added just a little bit of the mozzarella on the top. My fries have been in for almost 20 minutes. I'm going to stir those around and put them back in for 10 more minutes. And as soon as I do that, I'm going to get my beef tips. I'm gonna get my beef tips going. I have my avocado down in my skillet. It's on medium-high heat. I have my meat salted and peppered, and I'm going to just let it brown and then flip it to the other side and let it brown on the other side as well. I use the splatter guard just to keep the oil in the pan. So my steak is well seasoned with just salt and pepper, and I browned it on both sides. All I do is add it to the top of my salads. I will just stack London's on the side over here, and our fries are almost done. Harper has already grabbed her salad, but here they are. Then you just serve with whatever dressing you like. All right, everybody, I hope you have enjoyed this steak salad video. You can also make this with chicken. That's also one of our favorite meals. We'll see you next time. Bye.